My name is Nara. Now I will introduce one product of makeup. Do you want to know? That is a serum cushion by Hana Sui. This product have four shades that is light, natural, medium, and pinkish. Now I will introduce one shade that is shade number 3 is medium shade. This shade is very good if you have firm skin, and if you have white skin you can buy light, natural, or pinkish shade. I use this product from 1 year, and this product is very good, and this product have perfectly reflect for Indonesian skin, and the price is not expensive, and this product can use on daily. So I hope you can buy this product. This product is available on Shopee, Lazada, or another marketplace. So I hope you can buy this product because this product will make you looking perfectly beautiful. Thank you for watching.